What's up YouTube, it's your boy Jam0510 with another quick unboxing video. But before I start, thank all my viewers, my subscribers for your support. Really appreciate it. And if you're brand to my channel, if you like what I'm doing, if you guys can hit that subscribe button. And also really appreciate it if you guys can hit that thumbs up. So you see here, I got a package right here. This one is coming from Yeezy Supply. And this is a pair, I guess, that I regret doubling up on. But let's crack this open to show you which shoe it is. But luckily, the other pair I can actually return. So here it is. As you can see, Adidas blue box right here. Adidas Originals. These are the YeezyPowerphase, size 10.5, and these are the core black colorway. If you've already watched my previous video, I picked these up from Adidas already. But here are the core black Powerphase. So on the release day, I actually originally ordered it from Yeezy Supply, but with Yeezy Supply, sometimes they do cancel orders, so I wasn't really sure. So I decided to order it also from Adidas, and both orders actually came through. But the quality on this one is, I don't know, it's kind of rough, to tell you the truth. As you can see over here, the edges are roughed up. So this one is, I don't know, it's just, the leather looks like a little bit more tumbled than the one I got from Adidas, but quality wise, because this is the pair I got from Adidas right here, and it's a cleaner looking pair. As you can see, it's not as roughed up on the edges, and but the leather's not as tumbled though, you know. Let me see the other one. As you can see, the Adidas pair one is cleaner. Actually, there's a little bit right there. But sooner or later it's gonna get roughed up anyway once you wear it, so it doesn't really matter. But yeah, there's a pair that I regret, you know, doubling up on. So again, luckily the Adidas pair I can really send back, since Yeezy Supply, they have a, you know, final sale, so you can't really return it. But the leather does look better on this one compared to the Adidas pair. So, but then this one just, yeah, I don't know, it just looks, the edges just look roughed up. So, but it is what it is. All right, YouTube, if you guys have any questions, just hit me up, leave me a comment or inbox me. You know, if you could also message me maybe, or leave a comment saying, you know, to let me know if you ever gotten a shoe that you regret buying or doubling up on. You know, just leave it in the comments. All right, YouTube, peace out. Okay, actually, after looking at the boxes, there's two different boxes. Basically, again, this one came from Adidas, and this one is coming from Yeezy Supply. As you can see, the one from Adidas, you know, has that, you know, the chip inside, and the sizing is actually bigger, as you can see here. The one from Yeezy Supply, there's no chip, and again, the sizing, you know, sizes are smaller here. The code is the same, but I also noticed again on the Yeezy Supply pair, again, there's no chip on this one. So I guess because, I don't know if it's maybe because they can do international pairs when they're coming from Yeezy Supply, but from Adidas is only for the US. Since again from the Adidas one, again they do have the chip inside, and as you can see the tag is smaller. So if you do decide to buy this in the aftermarket, whether it's from StockX, Goat, eBay, basically there are different tags to it, and also different boxes. But just a quick note, you know, again, if you're trying to buy this later on, there are 2 different boxes, different labels to the shoe. All right, YouTube, again, peace out.